It's Parrots, Penguins, and Boobies.
Hi, I'm Dave, and welcome to Parrots, Penguins, and Boobies, the big show where you get to hear hysterical parrot jokes, interesting penguin facts, and see lots of pictures of boobies. Because who doesn't love boobies, especially around the holidays? So, without any further ado, here is today's parrot joke. So one day, Pastor Herbert went into Mr. Smiley's pet store.
Hello, Mr. Smiley.
Well, hello, Pastor Herbert, and how are you today? Happy Christmas.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm looking for a special gift for Mrs. Herbert. Have you got anything special that I might give Mrs. Herbert?
Why, as a matter of fact, we just got this parrot in. His name's Chet. Hello, my name is Chet.
Oh, he's delightful. Does he do anything special?
Well, he does sing.
Oh, that's great. What does he sing?
Well, simply take this cigarette lighter and hold it under his left foot, and let's see. So he did. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, that's just wonderful. Does he sing any other songs?
Well, simply hold that cigarette lighter under his right foot. So he did. This silent night, holy night.
Ha ha, that's great. Just wrap him up. I'll take him home. Oh, Mrs. Herbert's going to be so excited.
So he took the bird home and showed it to Mrs. Herbert. Oh, look! He's just delightful. Look at him. Oh, does he do anything special?
Why, yes, he does. Simply take this lighter and hold it under his left foot.
So she did. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, that's just wonderful. Does he sing any other songs?
Why, just hold that cigarette lighter under his right foot.
So she did. Silent night, holy night. Oh, that's just beautiful. Does he do anything else? What happens if you hold the cigarette lighter under both feet?
Well, I don't know. Let's try it.
So they did. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. And that's today's Christmas parrot joke. We hope you enjoyed it. And now here's Ed with today's interesting penguin fact.
So today's penguin fact. If you're ever hunting in Antarctica and an emperor penguin comes up to you, do not look it in the eye, for it will kill you.
Is that a fact, Ed?
Yeah, that's a fact.
Wow, great fact. Thanks, Ed. And now, boobies, boobies, boobies. Don't you just love boobies, especially around the holidays? Well, that's our show, folks. So from everybody here, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you from the gang at Parrots, Penguins, and Boobies.